Hey there. Did you know that most of the wealthy people who have a net worth of $3 million or more come from lower or middle class backgrounds? Only 19% of them started with nothing. These successful individuals have one thing in common though, and I'm gonna share their secret with you. Welcome to The Smart Investor, where we help teach people about finance and how to become financially independent. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if it helps you in your financial journey. Let me tell you a story. During the time of the Great Depression, there lived a poor farmer. This man had already given up hope of keeping his farm from the hands of his creditors, as his entire cattle had perished from the sickness and his crops had dried up due to famine in the land. The farmer had nothing except his goose. After a while, he lost all hope and decided to kill the only head he had left for the food. However, to his surprise, he saw a golden egg under the goose. Upon inspection, he was actually skeptical that someone was playing a trick on him with the egg, but after looking at it, he realized that it was indeed a golden egg. This made his heart pound with excitement, as anyone would, as he was about to become incredibly rich. He decided to spare the goose's life for another day to see if there were any more golden eggs it could lay. When he got to town, the farmer got the egg appraised and found that it was indeed pure gold. He ran home and found yet another golden egg, and this continued every day of the week. In no time, the farmer was surrounded by a plethora of valuable eggs. After selling a few of these precious eggs, he built a bigger and more grand house along with a massive barn where he stored all his new possessions. The farmer was comfortable, but not happy. He wanted more wealth at a faster pace than an egg per day, so he seized the goose and cut it open, hoping to find more eggs inside. However, to his shock, he found nothing inside, and it wasn't long before all the money the golden eggs had produced ran out, leaving the farmer penniless once again. What's the moral of the story here, guys? Many times, people ruin their opportunities with their impatience, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. The concept of patience and how it can make you rich. Before the 1800s, almost everyone was living in poverty, with only the landowners and royalty being wealthy. However, these people were few compared to the commoners. During those times, people were more patient, as getting their daily bread was uncertain, and the seasons have controlled how much they had to eat. Today, people have learned that they can get whatever they want quickly with instant access to their wants and desires. This has eroded our ability to be patient, a trait that was common just 100 years ago. Back then, if you wanted something, you had to physically go out and get it, and you might have to wait weeks for your request to arrive. Now you can attain whatever it is you want quickly as the same day you order it. This development has made people impatient, but like many things you have to do to become wealthy, you have to unlearn this impatience. The process of unlearning impatience is one of the hardest challenges in becoming wealthy, but once you overcome it, you can continue to build wealth. The farmer from the story made the biggest mistake by not saving or investing the money from the golden eggs. He was still poor, even when he had the opportunity to seem rich. Impatience was the trait that ultimately removed the illusion of being rich. Patience not only makes you a better person, but also a wealthy person. Let me tell you about an experiment called the marshmallow experiment carried out by sociologist and Professor Walter Mitchell in 1972, focusing on delayed gratification. In the study, 50 children, both boys and girls, were offered a choice between a small, instant reward or a larger reward if they waited for some time. After the researcher left the room for 15 minutes, the children were given the choice of a pretzel stick or a marshmallow. When the researchers revisited the children years later, they found that those who managed to delay gratification grew into more patient adults. They had lower body mass indexes, higher SAT scores, and slightly lower divorce rate. Delaying gratification was a primary indicator of these participants' overall life success. If the farmer was a participant in that experiment, he would have failed. His impatience got the best of him. If you have a mind for growth, you would understand that there's a process for everything. As the famous saying goes, you cannot fly into flying. You first have to crawl, walk, jump, run before flying can even be achieved. In this technological era, innovation makes patience obsolete. I'll explain what I mean. With new and constant technology being created to make things easier, it's hard not to be impatient. Everything is at your fingertips with your mobile device, providing you with almost every piece of information you need quickly. This creates an illusion that you can have everything instantly. For instance, if you want to get the latest news with a few taps on your phone, you can access information from the UK and around the world from the comfort of your home. Also, thanks and no thanks to online vendors like Alibaba, eBay, and Amazon, consumerism has been reshaped. Now people can get anything shipped to their doorsteps within a few days of ordering it. who can bother to go buy books or use libraries. We can get them online instantly. The same applies to music streaming services, which have made sure almost everyone has ditched CDs and tapes. Everything is now instant. The keyword is now. With all these being a reality, it isn't far-fetched to declare that patience is fast becoming obsolete. However, while many things can be obtained personally, there are still certain great things that require patience. Building wealth is one of those things, and that will still go on forever, will require patience. And now, I'm going to show you why patience is still a virtue. Patience is beneficial to you in your everyday life. First, it gives you the strength to deal with situations that bring discomfort to you and those around you in healthy ways. Patience is an exercise in self-control. It boosts your capacity to handle harsh conditions, enabling you to see beyond yourself. This virtue helps to create a strong foundation for high moral standards. From the story of the farmer, you've learned that impatience is counterproductive. It breeds feelings of hostility and is a negative step towards individuals who delay, frustrate, or obstruct your goals. Just as the farmer did by killing the goose to take all the golden eggs at once. You may or may not be aware of this, but people have a knack for unfairly perceiving patience as a passive act. However, from the Buddhist tradition, we can see how wrong that is. Buddhism has to do with your self-mastery. It requires complete control of your deeds, words, and thoughts. For example, consider the standard technique for meditation. You're advised to first focus on breathing, one breath at a time, move and observe the environment, and finally, smile more. Our world today is very focused on getting things right away. We want quick solutions and easy ways to get rich. However, the truth is that there is no such thing as getting rich overnight. Most of the shortcuts and schemes that promise quick wealth are scams or involve something unethical. What is really needed for success is patience. Patience is the key ingredient for success. Success also requires a lot of hard work, attention to detail, and a long-term commitment to your goals. It's not just about waiting around for something to happen, but about planting the seeds for future success, whether it be seeds for your physical health, for your job, or, well, for your finances. Just like the farmer who waited for the goose to lay golden eggs, success requires a similar kind of patience. Instead of waiting around for something to happen, it's about taking control of your situation and making things happen for yourself, all in the process of being patient for the results. The farmer in the story could have had a different kind of outcome if he had been more patient. Instead of killing the goose, he could have used the money from the first golden egg to buy better tools and start his farming business again, pay his creditors, and maybe own the farm. The idea behind the delayed gratification experiment is that being patient leads to better decision making and reduces the risk of making mistakes. Success takes time, guys, and it's important to appreciate the process of growth along the way. Self-control is also a very important factor in wealth creation. It means being able to control your behavior, desires, emotions, and impulses. It's about self-mastery. By being patient and having self-control, you can reject instant gratification and focus on long-term fulfillment and satisfaction. And there you have it, guys. I sincerely hope you learned something from the video and enjoyed this. Give this a thumbs up if you learned something new. We'll be seeing you in the next video. To more financial wins for the both of us.